When you open the YONO SBI app, it shows vulnerable app detected. This means there is some unsafe or risky app installed on your phone. Because of that, the YONO SBI app is not working. First, you need to find which app is causing this problem, because normally we don't know which app is vulnerable. Now open Play Store and search for an anti-spy or security scanner app and install. I have already installed it, so I will open it now. After opening, now click on scan, and here is two options. Select smart scan option. Now the app will scan your phone, find risky or vulnerable apps. This may take a few minutes, so please wait. Now you can see it has detected Super VPN app that is installed on my phone. This app is causing the issue. Now delete or uninstall this app. After removing the app, open the YONO SBI app again. Now your problem should be fixed and the app will open normally. This is how you can fix the vulnerable app detected problem.